Want to collect more detailed seller information? Let's see how the Account Field Manager add-on makes it possible. And today we will learn about its use in the Classified Listing plugin. Using this add-on, you can add custom fields to a seller's account page. It will allow authors to provide more detailed information about themselves. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and then Plugin for uploading plugins. Then click on Choose File. First, we need to install Account Field Manager add-on. After downloading it, select the zip file from the location where you saved it and then click Install Now. After completing installing, then click on Activate Plugin. And here it is. Classified Listing Account Fields Manager. Now let's go to the Classified Listing plugin and navigate to the account fields. Today we will be working with this. Before getting started, let's first see where these fields will appear. Simply go to my account page. Here you can see different types of fields available for users. Now let's see how to add custom fields to user accounts. You can add all the available field type or simply choose the ones you need based on your requirements. For example, let's select the phone field first. From the field settings, set its title or label. Then choose where you want this field to appear, whether on the author page, as a required field, or only on the registration form. Simply configure these options according to your needs. Then save your changes and go to the My Account page. First, enter the author's dashboard. Here you can see that the phone field is displayed. Now let's go back to the Account Fields Builder. Then in the same way, if you want, you can also add a URL or website field or an email field. Or let's add the number field first. After adding this field type, then let's customize the field settings. First, provide the title, for example, Member Since, and then set its value range, like the starting and the ending date. After that, provide the placeholder, like enter year. Now choose your required option that you want to display. Now let's switch to a seller account. From the My Account page, open the profile section. Here you can see all the custom account fields we just created, the additional information along with member since. Now let's again back to there. After the number, we will add the text field type. Like previous, customize it label name according to your preference. For example, active listing. And then provide the placeholder that how many listings you have. Then configure the available options and save the changes. To see the changes, go to the My Account page, reload it first and see it here. In the next, we will now add File Update field type. For customizing this field, provide your required title, like upload your ID. And then you'll get several field types to select. Choose the types that users may upload, and if you want, you can write a description about it. After the description, you need to determine its maximum file size. Right now, I would like to disable this option for not showing on the author page. After saving it, let's go to the My Account page to see our customization. As you can see, this option is appeared right now. After this field type, now we will add drop down and then, like earlier, set the label name, for example, membership type. For the membership type, you can create a few plans of your choice, such as general or premium. If you need it, you can create more plans as well further. Keep this field type to show on the author page. Then click on Save Changes. Let's go to the My Account page, reload it, and see the customization here, the membership type. After the membership type, we will now add checkbox field type. First, customize its label as gender. Then, set the gender as options, male and female. If you want, you can show this field type on the registration form along with the author form. Let's assign fields to the registration form now. Now click on Save Changes. Let's go to there, reload this page first, and see it here. Now let's switch to a seller account. Let's check the seller's public author page. From the My Account page, open the profile section, log in first, go to the account details, and here you can see all the custom fields we have created. The seller can now fill out these fields with their own information and save the pages. As you can see, the information entered from the seller's account is now displayed here, making the author profile much more informative for visitors. Instead of showing only basic details, you can now present additional information that helps users learn more about the seller. And the best part is that whenever you need to collect new information, you can simply create another account field from the dashboard. It will automatically appear on the seller's My Account page, which will allow authors to update their profiles whenever needed. Go to All Ads, Listing Map, select a category like property, and open any listing to preview it. That's how the Account Field Manager add-on helps you to build richer seller profiles in the Classified Listing plugin with a simple and flexible setup. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.